he'd be a better way of life for our citizens.
Xandarians also found the land. The galaxy hosts an extensive canal system, ranging from larger ones, which serve as the main pathways, to narrow ones, which connect citizens to residential neighborhoods. It's an efficient way to navigate Xandar. Secure art centers are renowned throughout the galaxy. Xandar offers a variety of entertainment that reflects our diverse population. Our famous Galaxariums, where Xandarians go to learn about its history and culture. This part of the Galaxarium you can speak
Life-giving waters. In time, we built our city in honor of the Nova, our people.
Can form force fields by linking together with energy bands. And this same technology that allows the ships to link together can also be redirected as an immobilizing anti-gravity device.
That provides robust protection for our Nova troops. Peace and strength balanced together. These are key values of the
So, go on, introduce yourself.
Have you forgotten who I am? His brain is so fragile.
This is none other than Drax the Destroyer.
See? Even she knows who I am.
Anyways, I dance circles around the Kree dude on the same stage.
Doing weird and embarrassing dances by using means of distraction to rocket to destroy the Kree weapon.
Thank you, Drax, for setting the record straight for our viewers.
You're welcome.
Courage, Peter Quill. To flail around like a total fool to help save the day.
You're not really making it sound as intense and dangerous as it actually was.
I'm sure it was very intense. We'll learn more about just how intense and dangerous it was in just a moment. Would have been destroyed in the battle with the Kree were it not for the help we received from the Guardians of the Galaxy. Now, Peter Quill, what do you have to say about this?
I guess, it was really a group effort to execute my plan. Thank you, Warren.
Greetings, Terrans. I am Nova Prime Irani Rayal, Commander of the Nova Corps. On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar. As you have seen, your world and ours were born of the same moment, one which you refer to as the Big Bang. As such, we are all galactic neighbors in a vast universe which we and countless others share. For you to travel to Xandar would take 2.5 million years, assuming you had a ship that could fly at the speed of light. So we decided to come to you. But even we could not have reached you so easily were it not for the Cosmic Generator, an advanced piece of Xandarian technology that creates jump points, artificial tunnels that act as shortcuts linking distant points in space. It is our desire to share this wondrous technology with your people so that together we might explore new worlds and create a brighter tomorrow. And now, as the culmination of the wonders of Xandar, you will be teleported to a Nova ship above your planet for a demonstration of the Cosmic Generator. I trust you will find it an unforgettable experience.
welcome, people of Epcot, Epcoters, Epcotians, citizens of Epcot. Does anyone know what they call themselves? What? I'm on. Someone needs to tell me what I'm on. Welcome, Epcot-tarians. I am Centurion Tal Merrick, and we're just about ready to teleport you up to the ship for the demonstration. As you're about to enter a secure Nova area, I must ask you to put away your Terran communication devices at this time. Recording of any type is strictly prohibited. I am very serious about this. Now, please step forward into the chamber. You're gonna love this. Terrans before, but since your molecular structure is very similar to Xandarians, it should work. It'll work. So long as you are standing inside the lighted ring. You do not want to know what happened last time someone did not stand where I told them to, okay? Stand by for teleportation. Here we go. You made it! I mean, of course you did. Nova Prime, they're ready.
Excellent. What you see before you is the cosmic generator. And in just a few moments, we'll be activating it so you can experience it for yourself. What's happening?
I'm not sure. Our power's out. And the cosmic generator's gone.
Interior mod, go to Code Red. Prepare the fleet. And call the guardians. Now!
There is no cause for alarm. Turn off that alarm. I've got an important transmission coming in.
Hey, what's up, Nova 4?
Our cosmic generator has been stolen.
What?
How?
Why didn't we think of that? That thing's gotta be worth a fortune.
I am Groot.
Good question.
Yeah, who do you think took it?
Perhaps that really big man outside your ship.
That is a big man. I need to alert Nova Prime.
I am watching Terrans for beyond. This species has failed.
Wait, whoa, we didn't even go to the test.
He's got the cosmic generator. He's created a new jump point.
Jump point to where?
Not where.
Some kind of mutant jump point.
It's going back to the dawn of time.
To erase an error.
Well, that doesn't sound good.
Your time is over.
It's already.
The jump point is closing.
Hey, no, dude, you're going to follow that whatever it is until we get there.
You can't. Our power's down, and I've got to get these Terrans onto evacuation shuttles.
I got it. I regrouped the shuttles to follow them through the jump point.
Wait,
What? Look, there are only chance of keeping track of that whack job until we get the cosmic generator back. Piece of cake. What?
There's King. Where's this King?
the odds are impossible,
Yeah.
but it's our only shot. Good luck.
Are you sure you can control it?
Come on, it's me. We got this.
We're all toast.
First there was King, now there's Toast. This plan is making this go on.
Terry, listen up. You need to make your way to the evacuation shuttles now. We'll follow with the fleet if we get our power. I mean, when we get our power back. Oh no, this plan with the Guardians doesn't stand a chance. What? You're still on it? What did I just say? You need to tell me what I'm on. Are you Terrans still there? Everything is under control. We're rebooting our subsystems and we'll have the power back soon. We do hope you enjoyed your brief visit with us. Over and out.
project. Well, okay, I'm locked onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Drax!
Good luck. You're gonna need it.
Rock and roll from existence.
What have we done?
I think we're jumping back.
Gotta get that generator. It's the only way back.
We got the generator. Yeah, we get that all the time. Rocket, anytime, okay. Let me try this. Milky Way just formed.
I hate milk.
Quill, we're here. It's about time.
Of course it is about time. Have you not been paying attention?
Velveteen, link your star blasters.
We have him contained, but not for long.
Nobody's perfect.
We're back. Locking coordinates for Echo.
It's epic. Like I'm going ahead to the North Pole.
Rocket.
Why?
Welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
We have no room in our ship for these new guards.
Drax, it's an honorary title. They're not coming with us.
I see. It is meaningless. Well then welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy. Now where's that cake toast?